Hello, I am celebrity hairstylist Sabrina Porsche, and today I'm going to show you how to create this sleek brio bun look for your clients using their new Style and Treat collection. Their Style and Treat styling products are my new favorite because they are all natural and effective. When it came to making these, Briogeo focused on two things: taking out potentially harmful ingredients you usually find in conventional styling products and adding ingredients that nourish and treat hair while styling. The results are phenomenal. Every formula in the Style and Treat collection is free of silicones, animal waxes, petroleum, aerosols, and drying alcohols, and formulated with protective, strengthening, and moisturizing ingredients like yuzu extract, plum oil, and their proprietary Super B complex, and the best part is that they work amazingly. So let's get into creating the look. So I already made sure that her hair is detangled. Now I'm going to create a center part. I'm going to start from her nose, from the center of her face, and just create a part going about right to her crown and pulling the hair. So I'm just making sure that her hair is all pulled back into this ponytail, and I am taking the bun about midway, about there, with the center part. And I just want to make sure that every little bump I see is pulled back. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want to make sure that they're all laid down. So when I do sleek it back, it'll all lay down evenly. So now I'm going to secure her hair with an elastic. And I'm make sure that the ponytail lands directly in the center of her head. Now here's the fun part. Grab the yuzu and plum oil sleek stick and a small boar bristle brush and smooth out those uneven sections and lay down those flyaways and baby hairs for a sleek look. So now I'm just laying down these flyaways with the sleek stick. I'm going to take my boar bristle brush and smoothen it out just like this. Let me take it around the edges, just to smoothen out those edges. And look how sleek that is. I'm gonna go on to the other side, do the same thing. So I'm just gonna twist the back of this beautiful long hair. Twist it, twist it, twist it. I'm gonna start wrapping it into a nice bun. Twisting, twisting, wrapping. It's gonna be nice and tight. Twisting, twisting. And I'm just gonna secure it with another elastic. I'm gonna go in and just brush your hair up, all these little flyaways, and take the sleek stick and sleek that hair up. This look will stay sleek no matter the weather. Sleek Stick is clinically proven to block out frizz and up to 80% humidity. There you have it, the perfect sleek brio bun.